picture of a scenery where you can see a house, soil is there, then these boundary walls, the trees are there, the bushes are there, mountains are there, boat, water, clouds, sky. Now, why I have taken this picture? Because this entire scenery is a matter. Now, why it is a matter is the things around us, which can be, they are your living, and another is non-living things. Clear? So, what oil, juice, cream, your medicine, your color pencils, your pencils, a box. This is, yes, your perfume, a decorative item, pen, again your medicine, mouse, your computer. What all are they? Even your these fruits, what all are they? They all are matter because they are the things, and we find all these things around us. Even even the animals, the birds, they all are around us. They all are in our surroundings. So they all make a matter. Now come that what are the different kinds of matter. Now out of these things, even if I've shown you these things, you can see that this is a cough syrup, this is oil. So some of them, they are the liquid form, the decorative item, see, your box, some are solid. Your perfume, I'll be giving you the example of perfume. When you spray it, it's a gas. Now, one more thing. I'll show another example of gas. Smoke. This is smoke. So, smoke is gas. Clear? So, comes our matter. Now, this matter is made up of the small particles. Salt. Now this salt is in the powder form. So what is this powder form? This is the particle. These are the particles of the salt. And these small particles are called as the atom. Now atom means the smallest particle. Now this glass of water, you can see two balls. They are showing two balls. One is in the red and one is in the blue. Red one is oxygen atom because water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So single one, this one single is your atom. Now blue one is hydrogen. Now when these atoms, whether it's the oxygen and hydrogen, now here they are joined together and that becomes your one bigger substance which is called as molecule. Now see, one red and two blue. That means one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen. So next is your molecule. So what will you say for molecule? Two or more atoms. When two or more atoms, they join, they make a molecule. Now next, again salt. I have shown you the salt. Now salt. Here you can see in the picture it is written Na. Salt is your called as sodium chloride. Means one atom is sodium, one atom is of chloride. See, it is Na means sodium, here it is chloride. So NaCl is salt. So when so many sodiums, so many chloride atoms, they join, they give us salt. Now called as O2. Why it is called as O2? See, one red of oxygen, another red of oxygen, these two, they have become one molecule of oxygen. Next, fire extinguisher. Smoke, which I've shown you. Again, I'm showing you the smoke which is coming out. Now, this smoke is actually what it is there. In this, it is having carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide means one carbon. See, one red, white one is carbon. Two red ones are showing oxygen. Now, this whole has become your one molecule of carbon dioxide. Clear? Again, a matter is made up of particles, and the smallest particle of the matter is your atom. Atom that occupies space. Occupies space means it takes the space. What is this? A medicine. Now medicine is poured into this bottle. So it has taken the space of this bottle. It has occupied the space of this bottle. It has filled into this. So a matter, first thing, what is a matter? Matter are those things that occupies space. Now second is matter means that have a mass. Mass means weight. Now you'll say these packets, when we buy the things, whether it's the fruits or the vegetables, we say, okay, give me 1 kg, give me 500 grams. So what is this? Now this is a 1 kg of salt packet. Now this 1 kg of salt is, this packet has 1 kg of salt in it. That means the salt has how much weight? 1 kg. So matter that occupies the space, the things that occupies the space that have the mass, they are called as matter. They are the properties of matter. Besides this, matter, they have a shape, whether it's a cuboid, whether it's a this one, a shape of a pen, a medicine, round or oval. So these are the matter, means the things that have a shape that comes into matter. Now comes the another thing, matter has a volume. Wait, the spelling is, this is matter. Now this one, it has, matter has shape. Mass. Volume. Occupies space. Clear? Now see, play. It's in the form of a game. I'll be showing you. See. Matter, it has shape. It is showing. It has shape, mass, volume. It occupies space. Clear?